Disney is working on a Web3 Metaverse game plan. Continue to watch if you want to learn more. Before we go into detail, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content. And if you want to continue getting this value for free, help us win the YouTube algorithm. You know what to do. If you're looking to grow your NFT, DeFi, crypto, or metaverse knowledge, then please see the resource links in the description box below. We have Kindle ebooks, print books and audiobooks on all your favorite crypto and blockchain subjects. Therefore, check the resources in the description box below and start earning today. Walt Disney Company has brought its characters to life in its theme parks and expanded its franchises through streaming services. Now it is looking to keep up with times again by bracing itself for the upcoming evolutionary leap of internet. An analyst stated back in February that software development remains a region where the organization has struggled. The Burbank entertainment giant has begun developing a strategy for its approach to a future version of the internet that blends the physical with the digital and the virtual, dubbed by futurists, tech executives and investors as the Metaverse, or Web3. This week, Mike White, the Disney executive charged with leading the company's foray in the space, met with senior Disney leaders to lay out the broad strokes of a metaverse strategy in terms of what they're calling next-generation storytelling, according to people familiar with the talks who were not authorized to comment. This week's meeting included top Disney leadership such as Disney Media and Entertainment Distribution Chair Kareem Daniel and Parks, Experiences, and Products Chair Josh Damrow, plus creative executives from Parks and Imagineering, Marvel, Lucasfilm and Industrial Light and Magic. If you want to know more about NFTs, non-fungible tokens, DeFi, decentralized finance, crypto trading, and the metaverse, then the links below will help you get from beginner to advance in no time. Disney chief executive Bob Chapek has strongly signaled his interest in the metaverse. Speaking to CNBC in February, Chapek called it a third dimension of the canvas for Disney creatives. The specifics of what Disney's strategy will look like are not yet formed. A key goal of the meetings is for Disney to figure out what it actually means when it talks about the concept, loosely defined as a new version of the internet based on decentralized digital ledgers known as blockchains. Disney is not necessarily thinking about the metaverse in terms of creating full-fledged digital worlds in the way that Mark Zuckerberg and Facebook parent company Meta Platforms Incorporated are trying to do. Before we go, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content like this video you just watched. And if you got some sort of value from this video, please smash the like button, smash subscribe, and hit the notifications button so you always get alerted when we publish value-driven content like this before anyone else does. And together we win. If you're looking to grow your NFT, DeFi, crypto, or metaverse knowledge, then please see the resource links in the description box below. We have Kindle ebooks, print books and audiobooks on all your favorite crypto and blockchain subjects, which will help you get from beginner to advance in no time. Therefore, check the resources in the description box below and start earning today.